Thank you, Emma from K Hair Factory. I received my parcel yesterday, and I'm telling you, the hair, they are really beautiful. This is size 8 straight hair, and it's not the expensive range, it's the cheapest range. And then I have also curly hair here. These are the curly hair, nice curly hair, very nice curly hair, nice curly hair. And thank you so much for the gift, Emma. This is a beautiful gift. Unfortunately, in Namibia, we were told that as from today we don't need to wear mask in the public. But anyway, I will still be wearing my mask because of this new gift. It's really beautiful. This is the other straight hair. I must say the quality, I've been in this straight for more than 10 years, and the quality of K hair, really, it's very good. Thank you so much. And it's not my first time to buy Vietnamese hair, but these ones, really, I like them. So I'll come back with a review because I need to test the hair also on my head. But this is just now the unpacking and then the feeling of the texture. I'll still come back with a review. Thank you so much.